kwangena endlini lakhuluma nobaba bakunjani umfazi hayi ngikhona baba dala ngacina ya umangele uma ubhekile akakwazi nokukhipha igama emama lekenzekani what is ting umfazi kuya lo mfazi uyahlala lo baba uyisuma uyenza itiya uyenza namakuku tekutolo nithi lo baba hayi ufanele fast code yonke into akayenza kuyethi normal nakukhwehlela mhlambe uyabonakala ukuthi udinga mhlambe ithishu uye toilet ithishu yonke into yenza uye uthatha itrain gesi isitsha wena mfazi udlela uzanga kulo mfazi mara ubheke emehlweni usekulo baba mara yena uye oyenza amachoza nithi ubaba kurong ayenza lo thina ekhaya basifundisa ukupheka besukuyenza mara there's a different abantu nabazovashula ubaba kwakho wena umenze amasini abubheke emakhaya amaningi labo baba bahlale baso or bafaka ikorobelo bakalungile don't understand what's going on. It's a shame. It's a shame. Batotobele, it's true. It's a shame. Khona into engasilandi lapha. Abantu nabangena and you have such a husband, mama, doing it, something is wrong. Something is wrong. It's a shame. And whatever is wrong will come up one day.
Yeah.